How do you say this word? Is it develop or develop? You've probably heard people pronounce it in different ways. Some words do have multiple pronunciations, but that's not the case with this one. The correct way to say it is develop. The stress is on the second syllable, so you say develop. In this video, we're going to look at some common pronunciation mistakes like this one. You will hear different words. Your task is very simple. Listen carefully and repeat what you hear. I will also include example sentences so that you can hear these words in context. This way, you can use the shadowing technique, which involves repeating the sentences immediately after you hear them and mimicking the pronunciation as closely as possible.
Purchase, purchasing, purchase, purchasing.
She decided to purchase the book. I work in the purchasing department.
Manager, management, manager, management.
The manager approved the request. The management team is meeting today.
Manage, managing, manage, managing.
I need to manage my time better. She is managing the project efficiently.
Innovative, innovation, innovative, innovation.
His innovative solution worked. Innovation leads to new opportunities.
Campaign, campaign.
The campaign was a huge success.
Product, production, product, production.
This product is a game changer. Production costs have been reduced.
Employee, employer, employee, employer.
The employee earned a promotion. Our employer values hard work.
Develop, development, develop, development.
I develop new strategies for the company. I work in research and development.
Customer, costume, customer, costume.
The customer requested a refund. Her Halloween costume was amazing.
Finance, financial, finance, financial.
She studied finance in college. The financial market is unpredictable.